Is it time to buy or sell Missfresh stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Missfresh. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, August 7, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since August 3, 2023, our system has ranked Missfresh as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. During this period, the stock has outperformed our expectations, with a gain of 406.89% since we first recommended buying Missfresh 3 days ago. This translates to an average return of 135.63% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 6.4% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -82.43% and 6.4%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a 1.94% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between -83.53% and -0.0831%. This translates to a price range of $0.430 to $2.61 after a year. Our latest daily update for Missfresh includes the headline, Big Movements in Missfresh Stock Price on Monday, moving 38.4% between high and low. The Missfresh stock price gained 31.82% on the last trading day, Monday, August 7, 2023, rising from $1.98 to $2.61. It has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 38.4% from a day low at $2.37 to a day high of $3.28. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 443.75% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -50 million shares, and in total, 67 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $174.54 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $3.28, and the lowest price was $0.0600. Currently, the price is 20.43%, or $0.670, below the 52-week high, and 76.27%, or $8.39, below the all-time high on June 25, 2021, when the price reached $11. Analysts have given Missfresh stock a general neutral rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong sell and price to book as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock and sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Missfresh. The Missfresh stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $1 and $0.620. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, August 1, 2023, and so far it has risen 519.95%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 30 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 109 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Missfresh. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.98. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support at $1 may give a huge drop in the stock price. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 91 cents between high and low, or 38.4%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 56.69%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Missfresh, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Missfresh. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Missfresh encounters its first support level at $1.98. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $2.54, minus 2.68%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. The RSI 14 is 91 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 4 days ago. Is Missfresh stock a good buy? Missfresh holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, August 8th, we expect Missfresh to open up $0.143 and start trading at $2.75. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.